Hello. Today we're going to talk about the English sound system, el sistema de sonidos para los hispanohablantes. The sound system is divided into vowels, vocales, and consonants, consonantes. In English, as in Spanish, we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. But when you use these vowels in words, they have different sounds. Okay, we have what's called a short A, which is indicated by this little mark, este símbolo aquí, short, as in the word can or man. Okay, it's an A sound. But the A can also sound like A, as in cane or main. And you notice this word, if I just put an E on the end, it changes the pronunciation from can to cane. And this is pretty much true in English. Or AI also has the sound of A, main. Occasionally, algunas veces, it has the sound of A, as in father. Less often, menos común. Okay, so we have A or A sound. The letter E has a short sound, E, as in pet, or E, as in Pete. Again, by adding the E at the end. Al poner el E al final, cambia el sonido. Also, meat. So E, A together is the sound E. Or double E, meat. So 2 sounds for E, or E. The letter I, also 2 sounds, I, as in sit, I, as in sight. Also, this combination, IGHT, as in sight or night, is a long I sound. O, the short O sound is pronounced ah, as in hop. Right? Again, if you put an E on that word, it makes it hope. So short E is ah, or short O is ah, long O is O. And occasionally, words like mother or son or ton, the O actually has an sound, mother. Okay. So English is very confusing. There are so many exceptions. The letter U, the short sound is as in cut. The long U is U, or U, as in cute. Now, the consonants are pretty much the same in Spanish or in English at the beginning of a word, but some of them are different. Where in Spanish, for example, you only use an F, many times we use a PH, but that is a f sound, okay, PH. TH is a th, and this is a difficult sound for many non-English speakers to say, th, and it involves the tongue and the front teeth, as in thank you. The V is a v, also a difficult sound for many to make, as in van. The C, just as in Spanish, has 2 sounds. It has a soft sound and a hard sound. C can either be a S or a K sound. Okay? For example, centimeter or K, cat. Okay? Centimeter or cat. The difference is if you have a C before E or I, it's a soft sound. Okay? Se antes de E o I es suave. Antes de A, O, U es K. Es como K, cat. The letter G is the same kind of thing, is similar to the C. The soft G is J, J as in general. The hard G is G as in green. Okay. We also have the combination of QU, but in English it's a qu, qu sound, qu, as in quarter or queen. In Spanish, in español, esta combinación es K, solamente es K. H, in English, we say the H. Hello, hello, no es silente. The J, 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 as in jacket. W, which we use more than in Spanish, has a W, W sound, as in water or well. And the Y at the beginning of a word is Y, Y, yet. But at the end of the word, it has an E sound, as in baby. Okay, baby or city or almost any word that ends in a Y. So we're going to pronounce some of these. I'll go kind of quickly and show you how it changes. For example, con and cone. Okay, con, cone. From a soft O, or yes, from a short O to a long O. Candy, k, k. It's a hard C because it's in front of an A. These two, the C is in front of E, so it's scent and sell. CH, 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 chicken, chicken. SH together is shall, shall. Here's a soft G, j, gin. Okay. Gentleman. This word is eat because you have the EA combination, okay, just like up here. Meat, eat. Went, which is a short E, went, and want, want. Man and men, both short A, short vowels. Short A, short E, man and men. Then and these, the, like the word the. Then and these. But then you have, just to show you the difference here, la diferencia entre TH, the, and this is th. And I don't know how to explain the difference in, there's really not a rule. It's just some words have a softer sound, the, and others have a more forceful sound, okay? Thanks or thick. Here's the V, very, very, berry, okay? In Spanish, en español, este sonido es más o menos igual. En inglés, muy diferente. Very, very, berry. Quick, quack. Quick, quack. 6, soft or short I. size, long I. Bet and beat. June and Jane. Okay, both long sounds because of the E on the end of the word. June and Jane. Ran and rain. This is just a very quick description of the sound system and how those letters of the alphabet sound when they are used in a word. I hope you have enjoyed this, and I hope you will give us a like, a thumbs up, and come back to listen to more of our videos. Thank you.